Hey guys, we're here today with the originators and countertop support with the original Granite Bracket. Our bracket of choice today, the T-brace. Very simple, but super strong and will get the job done for your at-home project or in the office or on the job site. Let me show you how it's gonna go before we get started. You're gonna place it here on the back side. We'll show you in a minute. You'll be able to put some screws to hold it in place, but this bracket really works on leverage with the weight that's gonna be sitting on top of it to hold it in place. So when the overhang this way is supporting there and you ain't gotta worry about it teeter-tottering this and that way. Now, you'll notice a few things here. This is our 20-inch T-brace. Now, when you put it down, only about 9 or so inches is gonna be supporting your overhang. Why? Because you have your wall here and then the leverage piece back this way as well. So know that when you're ordering, this is a 20-inch, but with our overhang, we're gonna place it here, and with the weight of the granite that's going on top, or whatever your countertop or shelf might be, it'll be able to hold it down and support that way. So let's get started. Why don't you go ahead and grab yourself a Dremel tool or something like that and a drill so we can notch it out. You're gonna wanna do 2.5 inches by 1/2 inch deep, 2.5 by 1/2 to be able to put it in there so it sits flush. Let's grab that and let's get started. Okay, so we've taken the time to go ahead and mark it out before we cut out. Take just a few minutes and do that. Remember, 2.5 by 1/2 inch. You will appreciate it. Don't just try to go cut it real quick. Take the time, mark it out before you cut it out. Now, we've got our old Dremel here, feed saw, whatever you want to call it. We believe it's the best tool for the job. Now, let's get to work. All right, so as you can see behind us, we've got it finally mounted in. We're down here because we're gonna put a few of these screws right in the holes that have already been drilled for us. Now, you don't need huge, massive screws because you don't wanna drill through the other side. Get something that's gonna be perfect for you. For us, it's gonna be a wood screw, about 3/4 inch to really hold it in. Now, listen, remember, with the T-brace, the weight of the countertop or the shelf is really what's going to make this brace work and support it all the way through. So, let's throw some screws in here and let's finish up your project. All right, so she's ready to go, leveled up, squared up, ready to get put in. Go ahead and throw the screws in there now. And just like that, you are ready to move on with the rest of your project. It is just as simple as that. And you've got what it takes to do your project in your home, your office, or on the job site. Today, again, it was the T-brace. As simple as it is, but so strong to do your job. Remember, when putting in braces, start 3 to 6 inches from the corner and go 16 to 20 inches down the line, down the wall, or down the cabinets, whatever suits your project the best. Go ahead and order today from the originators and countertop support, the original Granite Bracket. Go ahead and join the thousands of people who have done their projects today. Click the link, and we can't wait to get yours out of the warehouse and into your home.